yeah.
Is that the newer one or the?
That's the older one.
That's the older one. Okay.
Is this for an EP? Did you say?
This is for IFP, yeah.
No, but is it an EP?
Yeah.
Yeah. For these guys, although Toby, you want to be.
Toby and Aiden want to do
Live.
Live.
Needs
So,
heavy.
effectively same material.
I'll take this.
Right. And is it just you three in the band?
No, Aiden as well.
It feels a bit empty in that instrumental bit, but there's supposed to be another guitar.
Aiden's got
playing.
a in the.
Okay. All right. I mean, I like the vibe. I think it's ambitious. It's a little bit different. It's kind of cool. I like the texture of voice is cool. I think there's something really, attractive about it. For me, the transition from sections sometimes needs to be tightened up and looked at a little bit.
Yeah.
And also towards the end, when you went back to that slightly displaced groove, I was like, this could settle and sit and just be something kind of hipper and cooler as a hook. And it doesn't quite take off, does it?
Which bit?
Right towards the end of the track, it's like the last quarter of the tune, I think.
Is it the one where we go back down to the original key?
Yeah, I mean, we'll take a look at it in a minute. We'll take a little look at that in a moment.
It's just it's a bit messy.
Yeah.
And it doesn't flow particularly well at the moment.
Okay.
I like all the different sections.
Yeah, so do I.
But they just don't gel.
We need to find. Yeah, I think we just need to find a way to make one section move to the other a little bit more clearly. And I also kind of feel a little bit like is there some point where it could actually settle into something kind of obvious? Because it's quite challenging all the way through, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? As opposed to just one bit where there was something. The way I would describe it is like there's a lot of clever happening a lot. To counteract that, something really dumb would be really nice.
Yes, dumb and catchy.
Like really dumb and catchy at some point. So when you go back to something clever, it's fresh again. Your ear kind of goes, I like that. We're back to that.
Yeah, that's sort of the idea of the bell bit, the ding 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 da, and then we're back back into it. So it's sort of like.
Is that supposed to be dumb or clever?
Well, sort of a bit. It's sort of a bit like when you hear it, you sort of say, oh, something's gonna happen, and then it goes back in. You're like, oh, okay. Sort of something a bit like that.
Yeah, I do agree. It's really messy, don't it?
Yeah. There's a few thoughts. One, actually, Aiden suggested not going back to the original key, staying in F sharp instead of going back to E minor.
I can see that being quite a sensible suggestion, actually.
There's other ones having the chorus longer and having it more belty.
What's your chorus section?
Is it the da 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 da?
Yeah.
Cool. Can you play me a chorus?
Yeah.
Alright. Shall I just
Should I just do the bit?
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh.
What? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which sort of gets lost by the fact that we're still ticky-tacking around the edges.
It's so busy as well.
It's really busy. Whereas what would happen if you got a 16th note rhythm going on, right? 4 to the floor. Yeah? What if you just straighten it out ever so slightly? So, still 16, still 4 to the floor, but with a conventional backbeat, just for that section? Could you try it?
So. I'm doing the samba bass.
By implication, it felt like 4 to the floor out here. So try it just for every quarter note hit on your kick drum.
So sort of.
Every quarter note. Yeah, give me that chorus just with that.
Do you want me to go from there? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
got something you can hook onto.
But now
and
it's
dance
dumb,
to.
right? Now it's like a dumb indie chorus almost.
Toby, you're
Right. That's really good. It's this dumb indie chorus. So when you go back to something a little bit more syncopated and almost Latin in your verses, it's like, ah.
Yeah, no, that sounds better.
Do you see what I'm saying?
It's got something you can hold on to now.
Yeah.
I know, Toby, you're not happy because you're not playing your fancy part. You can play it
But
later.
it's the
But it
beat
just
that's
yeah, and it just gets you, and now you can jump to it and you can dance to it and that
Mm.
kind of thing, which you couldn't do before.
If you wanted to orchestrate it slightly more with a slight layer more complexity, right? Try and open your hat on off like a disco record, and I know it's going to feel really weird, right? So,
Well,
two sixteenths and an eighth. Vaguely, it's sort of like a Franz Ferdinand meets sort of slightly Arctic Monkeys-ish sort of dumb indie thing going on.
Because we were missing the Liam's got kind of a cool Spanish hook for the chorus. I guess that was getting everything was.
Everything.
I
was
like the beat. I like
It's
that
just
beat.
too busy, yeah.
just a bit too busy. Okay, so you know that your breakdown section towards the end.
Oh, what the?
There was a bit where you changed key.
Oh, so
When
that's
you went back to the chorus, yeah?
that one. Oh, so when we changed back to the second one.
See, I actually think that's
That bit we haven't been, it didn't really work out a definite part for those going
Ah.
back to.
Hence why you played just every tone out.
So what
that would
I'm
be
doing
it.
is I'm doing.
So you're playing the same notes twice again.
So I do. Yeah, I've been beat.
Cool. Can you just give us that section?
Should we do just like the
we'll just
round
do
of the
that.
last chords?
Yeah, one round.
Do the
Do just before, so the.
So we'll do one
just,
round
uh,
of the.